So over here you can see that I have a note, and each and every note that you maintain in Evernote has its own information stored as well. So to access those particular information, you can click on the three dot button that you see on the top right hand corner when you open out the note. And from over here, what you can see is you can access out the note info. So once you click on this, what happens is that you see the title of the note right here. So let me just go around and type in TutorTube example note right here. And let's say this is going to be the title. So apart from that, you can see that I can add in tags over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and say example. You can create a tag example from over here as well. And I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube as well and add in a tag. You can see when this particular note is created, and you can change around that information over here as well. And you can see when the particular note is created and updated as well. But for the updated section, you cannot make any change. You can add in an author right here. So let me just go around and type in TutorTube right here. And you can define out an author over here as well. And you can also set a related URL to this particular note. So I'm just going to go around and say http:// and www.youtube.com/tutortube right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type this in, you can see that it is associated now. So once I go around and do that, I can hit the save button. And what happens is that the title updates, as you can see right here. And it says the note info has been updated. You can see the link over here as well that we changed in the info section. And if you want to change the info again, you can click on the three dot button over here. And then you can go around onto note info. And then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with note info inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.